Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explain some of the steps you need to follow to apply for a mortgage in Ghana. Please see the description box for a disclaimer. Step 1. Apply for a local tax identification number with the Ghana Revenue Authority, GRA. The GRA is a governmental body responsible for the collection of all income and corporate taxes in the country and consists of 3 agencies including the Ghana IRS. Step 2. Book home viewing tours with real estate developers and identify 1 to 2 properties you would consider purchasing. Please note that it's easier to get a mortgage for homes in gated communities that have been constructed by GREDA registered real estate developers, as they have established relationships with the local banks. Step 3. Visit 1 to 2 recognized banks for a mortgage pre-approval consultation. During this consultation, you can confirm the specific documents you need to apply for a mortgage and how much roughly you'll be allowed to borrow. Step 4. Once you've determined how much you will be allowed to borrow, make your final home selection. This can be done by filling a reservation form and paying a reservation fee to secure your new home. The reservation fee for most developers is between $3,000 to $5,000 and is non-refundable if you should change your mind. Once you pay the reservation fee, the developer will hold the plot, home or apartment you selected and issue an offer letter or sales agreement. Offer letters are given usually where the developer is yet to construct the house, and a sales agreement is given where apartments or houses have already been built. Step 5. At this stage, you can request a site plan and a copy of the estate's land ownership document to conduct a background search. Step 6. Engage a lawyer to review the offer letter and/or sales agreement. The lawyer should also conduct a search at the Lands Commission to confirm that the estate is the legitimate owner of the land on which your potential property sits. The search at the Lands Commission usually takes between 2 to 3 weeks. The lawyer can also conduct a limited search at the High Court to determine if there's any pending litigation. Step 7. With your lawyer's approval, sign the offer letter or sales agreement and return it to the developer. You will usually have between 14 to 21 days to return these documents with your first installment, but some developers do allow up to 30 days from your reservation date. The first installment is usually between 10 to 40% of the sales price. Step 8. Submit a copy of the offer letter or sales agreement to your selected bank with an accompanying letter requesting a facility. So the documents required for mortgage applications. If you're self-employed, you need to submit your business registration documents and your last 3 years audited accounts. If you work for an organization or a company, you need to submit a letter from your employer confirming your employment with that organization and also your last 3 payslips. For all applicants, you'll also have to submit 6 months bank statements confirming your cash inflows and outflows. Then you will need to submit government issued ID such as a passport. You will also need to submit proof of your immigration status if you're not a citizen of Ghana, so a worker's permit or a residency permit confirming that you have the right to live in Ghana for an extended period of time. Lastly, you need to submit proof of your residential address, which is usually verified through a utility bill, such as a water bill or an electricity bill. Please note that interest rates in Ghana on USD loans are usually between 11 and 12.75% per annum, whilst interest rates on CD loans range between 20 and 35% per annum. Some of the reputable banks in Ghana which offer mortgages include Stanbic Bank, First National Bank, Cal Bank, and Republic Bank. You should also note as well that mortgages will generally not be given to anyone over the age of 60, as that's the age of retirement in Ghana. Also, for non-citizens, mortgages are capped at a maximum of 10 years. So you should also be aware that some developers will give you a 1 to 2 year or 2 to 3 year payment plan, so you may not have to apply for a mortgage. You have to assess what your needs are as you go along. So this covers mortgages in Ghana. We hope this has been helpful, and please subscribe or like if you find this information helpful to you. Thank you.